Hello, and welcome back to Frugal Gamer. Today, we actually have another haul video, and it is a box haul! Yay! And these kitties are gonna move! Yay! So I can do my damn video. Admittedly, I did open up the box a little bit. I didn't open it completely. You'll still hear some ripping, so just, I didn't open it all the way, I swear. Okay. I didn't get a lot on this one, but I did get a couple things. I'm trying to lower my expenses a little bit, given my book and whatnot. But, let's get started, and as usual, I will leave the samples for last. Kitty, get out of my box. First thing is first, this big old thing of raw cane sugar. I got this actually as part of a business venture. That's going to be the sugar that we're going to be using, so. The next thing that I got was this. I'm so excited for this. It's called Tex-Mex Mix. It's a play on like Mexican Texas mix, because it's supposed to be spicy and stuff like that. So, but it's also, get out of my box. It's also supposed to have stuff that's good, like, for me. So, like, sesame sticks. Sesame seeds are something that I need to put in my diet, and sesame sticks are awesome. So, next thing that I got was some Swanson white chunk breast. Chicken breast. White chunk chicken breast. It is a 2-pack. It's, they're 12.5 ounce cans. So, that was nice. That will definitely be nice for casseroles. The next thing is my honey again. I run through this like crazy because I drink tea like crazy. The last thing that I actually bought was the Power Kodiak cakes again. My husband liked them, and I thought they were pretty good. I'd eat them again. Typical stuff. I haven't done this before, but I'm going to do it for this video. The Kodiak cakes were... Oh, it doesn't even frickin' say on here. Damn it. Oh well, I can't remember everything. Anyways, here are the samples. Ooh. Okay, so first there was the bubbly, sparkling water. I chose blackberry because the only other option that they ended up having left that was still available was peach, and as I've said before, I do not like peach. Next, we got this bite-sized Kind bar, caramel, almond, and sea salt. Looks good though, so I'll be happy. And then it looks like they put something else in here too. Oh, they put a Quaker Oats Kids Organic low protein bar. It's a whole grain bar, sorry. But, you know how that goes. It's usually pretty protein. Oh, there's only 2 grams. That sucks. But it's chocolate, so he'll like it. But that's it for this one. I hope you guys liked it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!